I'll get a better view from here. I'm closer now.
Stay back. You want
on
some?
on the other video, you're like, yeah, Charlie will just fold the kid in half again at the end.
He's like crying. We're like chucking snowballs at his head again.
And then when like those,
Oh,
that's gross. You can hear it like cracking
I
too.
know. It's like when pigeon? I'm not sure
No,
what it's eating.
I think it's one of those little birds.
Sparrow?
Yeah, one of those things, or a bit bigger than that.
Maybe. No.
Oh, that's gross.
It's not a pigeon.
You
Pigeon
can
has lighter colors.
you can see like the bone popping out now.
Charlie's window laughing. you know what happened? I ran into the window. On the way. And it fell.
I don't care. When it ate the intestines like spaghetti, that was nasty.
I know. You didn't get that cam either.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, not the long one.
And then I have it when it was eating like its lung or something.
Oh.
It's been here for like a half an hour now.
Oh.
I guess it's hungry.
See, it's gonna eat you next.
Half an hour later. So,
It's almost all gone.
it's almost all gone.
Yeah.
Go. Triple, go. Go.
What do you think hit your window when it hit it?
Huh?
What do you think hit your window?
It was definitely him because, like, I saw his under feathers plastered against the window. It was loud.
Tracy's like, how would it hit the window? You have like things hanging up and everything.
Yeah, I know. And it's dirty.
Like
I
she,
don't know.
like she must did use Windex.
So it's almost gone.
Yeah, it ate the intestines earlier like
Yeah,
spaghetti.
I saw it 'cause the door. Yeah. He really doesn't care that everyone's watching him.
Yeah, two people walked by right there, and he
Yeah.
didn't do anything.
Puffed up though.
Like,
Yeah.
don't touch my food.
Push it away, start eating it. It's my food.
A miss. Hold your crap.
Oh, my hand is freezing. Hello.
Oh. Oh.
Dude, just take a crap.
I don't know.
You better take his leftovers with him. I don't want like no dead bird near my house. If I had like jeans and a mask on, I would go up closer. Hello?
Get a fake bird and a long piece of string and a long stick.
Oh. Oh, you see that?
Yeah. I wonder who's gonna clean up this mess.
Probably no one though. Just like leave it there. With the feathers around it, looks like the ring of death.
Looks like it's shedding.
Charlie better not throw an ice cold at it. Let's get Gage to go up to it.
You would too.
He's right over there.
No, seriously, you would too. Alright, what we do?
Let's get the guy that ate the fish.
Oh, you mean downtown?
Did he?
Yeah.
Wasn't there two people? Oh, that was Tyler.
Tyler and some other kid.
That's gross. You would eat a raw fish.
No, he cooked it. He shoved shoved the end of the stick up his mouth and cooked it in the fire. It's so nasty, especially in that water.